This is Rich from Arrow Renovation, and I'm here with Mr. and Mrs. Fuhrman. Well, how do you like your house?
Yeah, it looks good.
We've done
Very tight, airtight. We were looking to either paint or completely re-side it, and decided to go with re-siding
Okay.
because improvements with insulation, and it would be permanent.
And we all kind of sat down and went through the color process and what you wanted, how you wanted it done, and got it all here in pretty much one fell swoop, so we didn't have a whole lot of running around to do. And I guess my question is, how'd you guys come about Arrow Renovation? How'd you hear about us to start with?
Okay, I didn't particularly hear about you. I just did searches, Google who was in the vicinity.
Okay.
Tried to keep it geographically close in western Johnson County, and so that narrowed down the search radius.
Okay.
And then I started making a few phone calls
Okay.
and interviewed some of the prospective vendors.
Okay. And the work crews we sent out, everyone did a great job.
Everybody did a great job.
Alejandro is just fabulous.
Yeah,
All right.
I was really pleased with Alejandro and his exterior work on the
Okay.
house.
Yeah. Well, all right then. I mean, is there anything else you'd like to say?
No, we're pleased, and we hope we, hopefully this someday, if it ever comes to resale, which we're not planning on, but it's going to always be an asset to the piece of property.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys very much.
Yeah, thank you.